In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish your website using Hostinger in just a few steps. Let's get started on this exciting journey of creating your very own website. To begin, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Hostinger website at www.hostinger.com. Once you're there, log into your Hostinger account to access your dashboard. If you're new to Hostinger, go ahead and create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, where the magic happens. Here, look for the option that says Create or Add Website and click on it. From the choices that appear, select Website Builder. You'll then have the chance to choose a template from the various beautifully designed options available. Don't worry if you can't decide right away. You can always customize these templates later to suit your style. Once you've settled on a template, click Start Building to launch the drag-and-drop builder. Now that we're inside the Hostinger website builder, let's move on to the fun part, customizing your website. The website builder is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to click on any element you want to edit directly. If you want to add new elements like text, images, buttons, or even galleries, go ahead and click Add Elements from the left panel. You can simply drag any of these elements onto your page and position them by dragging them around to your desired location. Editing the content is just as straightforward. Want to change some text? Click on it and start typing. Need to swap out an image? Just click on it to upload your own. You can even add links, videos, and icons to enrich your website's content. Next, let's explore styling your site to match your unique vision. By clicking Website Styles on the left panel, you have the flexibility to change colors, set your preferred fonts, and apply button styles and section spacing. If you want to modify background colors or images for specific sections, that's all possible here too. Moving forward, it's time to organize your website's pages. Click on Pages and Navigation, located on the left sidebar. Here, you can add new pages such as About or Contact, rearrange your menu order by easily dragging them around, and set any page as your home page or hide it from navigation altogether. Before we publish, let's check your website's settings. Clicking on the gear icon will open Website Settings, where you can configure important elements like SEO, ensuring your titles and descriptions are optimized. Here, you can also set your favicon, enhance mobile responsiveness, and integrate analytics like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. If you have a custom domain or wish to purchase one, you can manage this here too. Finally, it's time to preview your work. Click Preview at the top right corner to see your site as it would appear on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Everything looking good? Then it's time for the grand reveal. Hit Publish to share your website with the world. Congratulations! You've just taken your first step into the digital world with your very own website.